everyone, it's Lai once again of How to Mommy, and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we are unboxing one of my toddler's favorite toys. This is a basketball playset. He already has something similar to this, but we placed it in the office. I'll show you a photo right here. And this time we are buying a new one. We just got a new one for his play area in this home. This is also from Rustans. The price is 779 pesos and 75 cents. It is a little bit pricey because it is something that he can use up to when he is older, like probably when he is 4 years old. Actually, the age is for 3 plus and above, but we just bought it because it can be adjusted to a shorter height. So it comes with a ball. We have to inflate it, and this is the stand. 3, 4, the basketball ring, the stand, and the basketball net, and the basketball board. There is a pin for inflating the ball. So what's good about this is you can also use it outdoors. Just have to put water in this thing to take off the rubber cap, and there is a hole for where you can put water so that there is an added weight and so that the basketball ring won't fall over when the ball hits the board. So let's try to put it all together. As high as this, but I'm not gonna connect it all the way up there because my toddler is still 1.5 years old. So let's just stop here, and we're gonna connect the ring and connect the board. We'll just add the basketball net. It's a very simple toy, but my toddler loves basketball. He loves throwing balls. He loves trying to shoot balls into basketball rings like this. It grows with your toddler until he's like probably 4 or 5 years old. You can have it as high, goes higher. So, and you can also transfer it to your front yard, to your backyard when he grows older, wherever he wants to play by that time. So thank you very much for watching this unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment below what good toys I should be unboxing next. Bye!